Capstone, Assignment 3. Shellfish Industries. Ocean Acidification. What is the threat? Ocean acidification makes it harder for shellfish to develop their shells when the carbon dioxide is being absorbed by the ocean, slowing down the calcification process. Ocean acidification is having a huge impact on the shellfish industry in Western Oregon, and according to some recent research, the general public is mostly oblivious to it. A survey funded by Oregon Sea Grant has found that more than 80% of respondents from the West Coast shellfish industry are convinced that ocean acidification is having consequences on production, a figure more than 4 times higher than the general public's perception, researchers say. Why is that place/region vulnerable? The west coast of Oregon is a large contributor to the commercial shellfish industry. The west coast is specifically susceptible to ocean acidification because of the seasonal upwelling that occurs, bringing acidic waters to the surface. What are the forecasts in terms of environmental change? If there's no change in burning of fossil fuels leading to the increased levels of carbon dioxide, shellfish such as oysters and crabs will continue to struggle to produce. What are the forecasted impacts on communities? Those relying on catching shellfish to make a living will be forced to adapt. Fishing communities would be devastated, and prices for shellfish will skyrocket. What are the solutions? Oregon Governor Kate Brown put a plan in motion in August 2019. The plan is to advance scientific understanding surrounding ocean acidification, developing and using strategies to reduce carbon dioxide, and raising overall awareness of the ocean acidification problem.